What's up guys, bretTheTech here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to install Skype. This is a pretty simple task, but may be difficult for some. And this is a Mac tutorial for Mac OS 10 or earlier. Please subscribe to me. I do lots of videos like this, and I also am going to have an upcoming Skype how to install Skype on Windows. So subscribe for that. Alright guys, and please like the video, it'll help me out a lot. So what we're going to do first is you're going to go to your web browser and type in skype.com. And it's going to bring you to this site. And up here in big letters it says get Skype. And then you want to go down to the computer, you're going to hit Mac because this is a Mac tutorial. So you're going to want to hit download now. And it's going to start the download down here. So while it's downloading, it's going to take about a minute. I'm going to cut out and then I'll cut back when it's done. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, the download just finished, so it should have downloaded a DMG file. You're just going to want to open that, and we can get out of the web browser now. So once this is open, you're going to want to pick up and drag Skype over to the applications folder. And it's copying, and it just copied. So now, when you go down to applications, you should see Skype. And you hit open and accept the term. Alright, now here's your login. Now, I will be doing a video on how to create your Skype account, but I already have one. bretTheTech. Please feel free to add me on Skype if you have any questions. And you just log in, and there you go, guys. Alright, guys, this has been a bretTheTech tutorial. If this helped you out at all, please like the video. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Alright guys, thanks. Peace.